Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually get your top-up card using Wise. So basically, when you first create your Wise account and you want your physical card or your top-up card, which is like basically the credit card that you have in hand, not the virtual one, you can actually ask that from Wise. And they can give it to you as long as you are legit in one of the country that Wise can send their Wise credit card to. So basically, to do so, what you need to do is pretty simple and pretty straightforward, which is go to Wise. If you have already an account in it, it'd be good. If not, it will be pretty simple for you to create an account. So go to register, and from here guys, you put your email, then next, then you put some information, your first name, last name, and then password, and then they will ask you for your phone number, and then you will be ready to go. Also, you can use Google Chrome or Gmail and then Facebook or your Apple account in order to join Wise as well. So if you have an account already, just click on login, and let's start this tutorial by going into here. So this is the page that opens after you open your account for the first time. So basically what you have to do is go to get started. So from here we click on get started, and yeah, first of all, before you even do that, you go to cards, and if your country is legit and accessible, you will find here that you are accessible. If not, you can just use a VPN or Nextdoor or anything that may allow you to do so. So basically now, if it is open, this page is open for you, so you click on request a card, and then you come here, you click on get started, click on let's go, and here you choose whether you want it to be a personal account or business account. So we choose a personal account, and here we fill this with our information, and then they will ask us for a verification, like sending facial recognition picture and ID card or passport or driving license. And right after that, they will review your informations, and they will accept you, and the card will be delivered for you. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually top up a card using Wise. So thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.